This is Trey having rice cereal. Sorry. Ready? Show Dada. Oh. Ready? Okay, hold on, let me sit down. Alright. Oh, don't knock this over, bud. Oh. Messy boy. Trey. Trey. There you go. Good job. You want more? It's getting messy. See your face. Uh-huh. Oh. Is that good? Oh. I don't know if my hand is blocking the view. Here, I'll try feeding with my right hand so you can see. Hopefully I can do it. Oh. Good job. Keep it in your meal. Yummy. Okay. Ready? Oh, you're dribbling. Open up. Oh. There you go. Uh-oh. Can't do it with my right hand. What? You like the spoon though? Huh. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do it with my left. Uh-oh. You're dribbling all over the place, huh? That was too big. Too big. Too big a bite. Hey, no, get your hand out of your mouth. Don't do that. Oh, are you done? Does that mean no more? You like the spoon? He's chewing. You're chewing, huh? Okay. This maybe could have been thicker. Look at Dad. Look at my face, Daddy. Yeah. I can't believe that you're able to eat all of this. Good job. Whoop. Uh-oh. I just poured out most of it. Oh! You gotta open your mouth. He likes the spoon. He likes the spoon, huh? Oh. He's biting on that spoon. Where's your raggy? Let's clean this face of yours. Oh, Glee. Yeah. Don't spit it out. Do you want more? Oh! Oh, and then you spit it out. What was that all about? Are you done? You're just like playing with a spoon, I think. Hey, hey. Hand out of the mouth. Good job. No, not your hand. Oh, buddy. No, no, no. Ready? Oh, not your hand. Good job. Yeah. Ready? Ow. Yeah. Oh, it's sneaking out. Let's get it back in there. How much of this are you actually swallowing is what I'd like to know. That's what I'd like to know. Hopefully this is entertaining. Okay. Oh, you're spitting it out. Eek. Oh. No, don't spit it out. Am I blocking the camera? Am I vlogging the camera? Oh, dude. You want to hold the spoon? There you go. Holding a spoon. Woo! Good job, buddy. Good job. Swallow it. Good job. Look at you. No, don't mess up your sleepy. You okay? I can't help but open my mouth every time he goes to take a bite. Hey. You want to hold your spoon? Here you go. Wait. Here you go. You don't need your arm here, though. Oh no. Are you done? Well, I guess you've seen pretty much. This is little Trey. This is rice cereal. Really eating it this time. Or so I think. Oops.